Replacing windows doesn't have to break the bank, especially when it comes to picture windows, which are an excellent way to boost natural light, expand views, and add curb appeal. For Rockford homeowners, finding affordable picture window replacement options can deliver big benefits without the stress of high costs. With thoughtful planning, smart material choices, and professional guidance, you can upgrade your home's look and performance while staying within budget. Why picture windows are worth considering. Picture windows are fixed windows that do not open, designed to capture light and views without mechanical components. Because they have fewer moving parts, picture windows are often less expensive than operable alternatives like casement or double-hung windows. For Rockford homes, picture windows provide a cost-effective upgrade that enhances both indoor comfort and visual appeal. Choosing the right frame material. One of the biggest factors in window cost is the frame material you select. Each option has its own benefits and pricing that can help you find an affordable fit. Vinyl frames. Vinyl is one of the most budget-friendly choices. It resists moisture, doesn't require painting, and performs reliably in Rockford's varied climate. Simple cleaning and low maintenance make vinyl a practical and affordable pick. Aluminum frames. Aluminum tends to be more affordable than wood and offers a sleek, modern look. However, it is less energy efficient unless it includes thermal breaks. Still, for picture windows, where insulation needs are different than operable styles, aluminum can be a cost-conscious choice. Fiberglass frames. While slightly more expensive than vinyl, fiberglass offers strong performance and good energy efficiency. If your budget allows a moderate upgrade, fiberglass can be a good middle-of-the-road option. Selecting the right frame material helps balance cost with long-term performance. Simplified glass options. Picture windows allow flexibility when it comes to glass selection. Choosing efficient but affordable glass packages can significantly reduce overall costs. Double-pane glass. A common choice that offers improved insulation over single-pane options without excessive cost. Low-E coatings. While adding a small premium, low emissivity coatings help reduce heat transfer and can save on energy bills, making them a good value in the long run. For Rockford homeowners, a standard insulated glass unit with low-E coating often provides a strong balance of price and performance. Size matters, and so does placement. The size of the window affects cost. Larger picture windows provide expansive views but can be more expensive due to glass area and structural support needs. Work with a professional to determine the ideal size that fits your budget while delivering the impact you want. Strategic placement in areas where light and view matter most, such as living rooms, kitchens, or family spaces, ensures you get value without overspending. Standard versus custom windows. Custom-sized picture windows can offer a perfect fit but often carry a higher price tag. If budget is a priority, choosing standard-sized windows can help lower costs. Many manufacturers offer a range of pre-made sizes that fit common opening dimensions, making them easier to install and more affordable. Professional installation ensures long-term value. Affordable windows only stay efficient and durable when installed properly. Professional installation prevents gaps, drafts, and future issues that could negate the value of your investment. Experienced installers ensure your picture windows are sealed, aligned, and supported correctly, protecting your home from air and moisture infiltration. Timing and seasonal considerations. If possible, plan your replacement project during off-peak seasons. Some window companies offer discounts or promotions during slower times of the year, such as late fall or early winter. For Rockford homeowners, this planning can provide savings without compromising quality. A smart, affordable upgrade. Picture windows are an excellent way to brighten interiors, enhance views, and elevate home design, all without overspending. By choosing the right materials, glass options, sizes, and professional installation, Rockford homeowners can enjoy affordable picture window replacement that delivers comfort, style, and long-term performance. It's an upgrade that enhances everyday living without breaking the budget.